Want to know how well your email are performing in GoHighLevel? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to track your email campaign performance so you can see opens, clicks and engagement even if you are complete beginner in GoHighLevel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help your productivity. Now, if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So just check that out from the description. Now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel account, just head over to this marketing from this left side panel and then click on this email. Now here you can see all of the data or all of the analytics of your email, and you can change this campaign. I mean, specifically you can analyze your campaign like email campaign, you can see your workflow campaign, you can see your bulk action campaign. So whatever you want to analyze, you can do that. Let's say I want to analyze this email campaign. So here you can see all of the data and the information, like how many people open your email or how many people click on the email. So you can see all of this thing and you can easily track the campaign. And if you want, then you can change this metadata from here. Let's say you want to see as the static number. So just click on this and you can see the static number here, like how many people open, not the percentage. So that's it basically. And this is how you can easily track and analyze your email or the campaign. So if you found this very helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.